everyone. Let me just pull this up. All right, so you are probably on here because you maybe seen some of the content that I have and the avatars and the AIs that I've been doing, which are absolutely amazing. And I do want to tell you this really quickly for entrepreneurs, network marketers, business owners, anybody who is on social media. You want to be ahead of the AI wave, okay? So listen to me. People do not know how to do AI, and there is a simple non-techie way to actually do it and to actually build a business or make money online, okay? And I actually saw a lady online who was using it and making literally so much money with it, okay? And I knew that AI was going to take over, and this is the time to be ahead of the trend, okay? So I saw another lady, which is who I actually learned, who I purchased the course from. She did not have success in network marketing. She was struggling online, and I kind of knew she was struggling online. And so when I started to see her content and she was using AI, I'm looking like, I don't know how to do that. And I am a leader online. Okay, if you don't know me, Dominique Barbie, I've hit over $200,000 a month in companies. That's not to brag, but I used to suck. Okay, and I saw this lady who was struggling online, and she was making these AI videos. I'm like, oh, I don't know how to do that. So it immediately made her look like an authority figure when I saw her content, right? So I ended up purchasing this simple little course. And if I'm in here in some of my creations, as you can see, these look like I didn't went to a whole photo shoot. Okay, you see these high quality. Let me just see if I can play this. Okay, these are little mini videos, different things, right? You can make yourself look any way. You can change the body type, everything, literally big, small, whatever, medium size, right? And create amazing content that can make you way more money, okay? Because listen, if you want to make at least $10,000 a month online, even if it's 5,000 or 20,000, right? What made me change from struggling online for 2.5 years, literally the worst recruiter, worst salesperson. I mean, I used to pray for signups, right? What changed my life was when I decided to start doing video marketing, okay? Started doing videos, not even know how to do lighting or nothing like that. Literally just getting up and doing either Facebook Lives or YouTube videos, right? But the thing online, I'm about to solve a big problem for a lot of people. Most people, or a lot of people, do not want to get on video. They either scared to show their face, or they are scared to do videos because they don't know how to do videos, right? Now, AI changes the game with that, okay? Because now, I will, if you get this simple mini course, and I'll show you what you get in it, you'll be able to create jaw-dropping, stop scrolling content, make people see what you have to offer, and you don't have to get up and get on no video, do no photo shoot with nothing. I uploaded videos of me with photos, regular photos, just being out and about, right? Some photos that I had that were really, really good. Some where I got photo shoots, but you can literally upload videos of you. Upload a picture. Okay, a picture of you. Excuse they mowing outside. You can upload a picture of you, right, in multiple different angles, and they will create an avatar with your makeup already done, or if you're a guy, your hair already cut. You don't gotta get ready. I'm looking like, what? This is the perfect thing for me. Right? Even if you just want to do pictures or little mini videos, and you don't even have to be technical, okay? I made these photos in like 2 to 5 minutes, okay? And they set it up for me, right? Jaw-dropping content, and then I'll show you what you get inside of it. Okay, let me just go to it. All right, it is a school community, okay? And hold on one second. So you get access to the school community, okay, right here. Just moving around. Okay, so you get access to the school community, and the price is going, if you're watching this on August 7th or earlier, the price goes up at 11 Central, before midnight, okay, tonight. I'm on Central Time, so it's like, I think it's 11 Central, my time, 11:59 Eastern. So once you come into the school community, it's gonna show you how to get started. All these videos are between 2 minutes, some of them 1 minute to 7 minutes, okay? And you're going to learn how to create your avatar, okay, or twin. It could be of you, or it could be of an avatar that you can create online as a figure online, which is pretty cool. And this solves the problem of people not knowing what to post. This solves the problem of you not having to get on camera if you don't want to. And being a part of this community, you'll learn how to create it really quick and easy. And then this also show you how to do other stuff to your videos. I'm telling you, even if you're not technical, if you literally just sit down and watch the video and click a button, you're gonna know what to do, okay? And if you need help, I'll help you. On top of that, if you want like high really good twins or avatars or besties, I call it AI bestie, right? I'll show you how to, I'll give you some extra prompts that I use, which you can copy and paste to get some of these images like me. You see what I mean? I got gamer images, streaming images, me in the kitchen. If you want like copies of these, you could change the color of the outfits or whatever, how I'm actually doing these, because I have access to a special way to do this to set you apart from a lot of people, okay? And like I said, you just come in here, you'll be able to post the images, and now whatever you're doing online, you will have more people stopping to look at what you have to offer. The main thing what people struggle with online is their content. I'm sorry, their content is not good. Content is what you're posting on a daily basis, and if you look like everybody else, right, just basic posting and stuff like that, like that's not gonna get you to $10,000 a month. I'm sorry, okay? So if you want the information, I will give it to you. You learn how to make them dance, sing, dance, talk, all that stuff with short little videos, right? And if you want the info, hit me up.